source SDK 2013. You need to fix something. You need to get the source, the Steamworks SDK, copy the redistributable bin DLL into the single player bin, copy the redistributable bin 32.lib file, 361 kilobyte into your public something, source lib public folder, and that will fix some stupid DLL problems. So trying to add the tau weapon, I noticed that there's already a tau, a gloss, weapon gloss, underscore gloss, weapon gloss gun. I think that attaches to a thing. I did mine a little bit wrong. For some reason I'm basing mine on the machine gun. Oh, it should be a machine gun. And I based it on HL bungee weapon, but it still worked for some reason. This is what I have to fix next. And this is what I got. What I got at first try is the funniest thing. I just got a combine bong launcher. Let's see, let's test this thing out. I need zombies. Nicely, for the single player, the NPCs already work. Oh. Alright, so, yeah. I didn't do it quite right. Okay, let's change this to machine gun. We might have to set it back to the bungee weapon. It actually should be an HL2 based combat weapon, like a pistol. It's really hard to pick which one it's based on. Because the gloss is based on HL2 combat weapon, we might have to go with that next. But the first thing we have to fix is the model. So, I don't know how in the single player the model loads. All I know is I just replicated this file, renamed stuff, put it into stubs, and I had to rename the class to weapon tau underscore cannon. All the animations are just the same as AR2, and obviously I need to get rid of the combine ball stuff and rename everything. But luckily I'm just going to bytecode an AI cheat. All I know what to do in the multiplayer side of things, kinda, from what I remember, and I have a few code bases I could borrow from that even semi-wrote. So, a lot of this is useless, like this create combine ball. But this part worked. This is the part that worked. This is the part that just gave me the aha moment. Okay. So, what we will do is, where is set model? So I'm guessing because it was a stub thing, I'm just going to search for set model. If I can't find it within this document, I have to go through all the weapon documents and search it. No, I'm just going to search the whole thing. So apparently, the single player model is not like the SDK or the HL2NP, where it just uses a script file to read from. So the world model, see combat get view model. So where does this get view model thing happen? If we can figure that out, see, it does get it from weapon data. So it gets it from the weapon data, sets it to the player thing. That's not what the important part was. I need to go back. Where was I? Okay. In get world model, there was this thing, CZ view model. Like, how does the CZ view model get set? It gets set in view model while reading the weapon parse file. So let's just put some breakpoints in here. And then I think my biggest mistake is I have to rename this file now from OpenGLES to Weapon Tau Cannon. And that's my main problem right here, is this. Okay. So where is this located? So let's say we had our crowbar set up and we had like time to 3D model in Blender, and we actually created this model because Gary's mod and the CSGO workshop is so great that we have all these models now. So what we're going to do is we'll change the primary ammo type later to Tau, because, or energy or something, I don't know. We have to add an ammo type. Then we will, I don't even know how to get the HEV suit. Okay, Google, they can teach me how to hack in Half-Life 2. Half-Life 2 cheat code to get HEV suit. Bet you're like, all you guys know about this, but I don't. Okay, give item HEV suit to spawn HEV suit at your location. Oh, all right, now I'm a hacker in Half-Life 2. All right, so the sounds are going to work. Weapons VGLOS, weapons VGLOS. Do I have this in my folder? I don't really care. Okay, so it's set to HL mod 2. Oh, that's the repo one. I don't know if I copied over to my source ones folder where I'm testing this. I do need to later commit this, but okay, let's compile the W model. It'll just tell us where it puts it. So put it in weapons VGLOS. Is that where this is pointing to? Yeah. For some reason, weapons is capitalized, but Windows won't care, but Linux might. So let's just compile the V model. And we should be done. We might not have the texture, but that's not a big problem. Okay. Animation prefix SMG. It's, sorry. Okay. So let's save this. Let's run our thing again. For some reason, I feel like it's not going to work. Oh yeah, the client DLL copied. Why did it copy? And I'm having these source VR errors. I think I need to copy the source VR from a different folder. I don't know what I changed on the client though. I should have just changed the stupid static scripts. That was the only error. Oh, I did change the stubs file. So let's see how it runs like a stub dummy thing, whatever that thing was called. We have to use our hacks now. Okay, weapon name is Weapon Pronto. This is the first weapon. Okay, 3.275 Alex gun. Alex, okay. Annabella, Citizen's package, Citizen's briefcase, crossbow. How is it getting this list? Like, that's the main question. So it goes in and recache from file info database. Where does it get this database? What is this client precache crap? Get precache weapon info database. Read data from file for slot. Weapon manifest.scripts.txt. What is this stupid thing? Uh-oh. This is probably where I'm going to have an issue with my tissues. Let's just look at this file from GitHub. It's probably going to list all the weapons. Yes, it is. All right, so it doesn't have my new weapon. Weapon chainsaw? I made my own one of those. Weapon rifle desert? What mod is this? This is cool. Weapon charger claw? Weapon smoker claw? Damn, weapon pipe bomb and Molotov? These are like really cool weapons. SMG silent, shotgun chrome, sniper military, and pistol magnum. Okay. Your kind of typical HL2 weapons, but what we really need to know is we need to get down right to the bottom of the skull. So we will. We'll go in and see what's inside the VPK, because I already have it extracted somewhere. In source content, decompile HL2, decompiled version. We go into the scripts folder, once I find the right folder. HL2. I can't go in there, okay. HL2 mod, that's not the right folder. And then, I might not have it decompiled. Anyway, let's just grab it off GitHub. I might not have it, so I have to make a new one. So this will read through and tell weapon scripts key value to be filled in with this file. And how I'm gonna just find it on GitHub very fast. So I'm gonna type this in, go to the stubs, type in the more unique ones into Google. It will be citizen package, binoculars, binoculars, I don't think it's going to have Tau Cannon. Yeah, it didn't work because of my last search. Let's just put crowbar. Custom not loading in games, so no. Okay. So this didn't work. So what we do is we just go directly to GitHub. Because like GitHub tries to prevent Google from spidering it because of some other stupid privacy issues and issues. Okay, weapons manifest. Let's see if this is like a legit one. There's weapon frag. Yeah, there's a frag. This looks hotwire, hotwire. There's no hotwire in this, is there? They've added some more. Stun stick. SMG. Yeah, they've added weapon AR3, City 17. This is a modified. This one's probably getting modified too. Weapon Pronto, AP2. Episodic, HL2. We just need HL2. There's no bug bait on this, is there? Yeah, there is. Huh. I can't use these two files. We have to decompilate it. Alright, let's decompilate it then. Let's decompress it. Okay, so we have to go to the, find your source single player base 2013 common folder thing. Go into HL2. Check in scripts first. Type in star.star and make sure it's not already extracted. Should be weapons something. Okay, the other weapons are in here. Weapon manifest, is this what it's called? It's already extracted. Oh, okay. So we just need this file. We don't even have to extract everything. And then we just override it, put it in here. At the end, put weapon underscore tau. The other tau, tau cannon, because the other weapon exists for the Jeep, it's taking the place of weapon gloss. Everybody wants to name it weapon gloss, but you can't unless you rename the Jeep one. So we keep the Jeep one just to keep the code same without having to go back and change other code, even though that can be done. But all right, so we fix that. We know we're still inside of this, and it's not going to hit it. So after, what is it, like, it'll go by the order of this list. So where are we? We are on crowbar. So crowbar is on the last of the list, isn't it? No, it's not. It's like right there. Is the next one cube map? No, it's HL2 grenade. Huh, okay. Gravity gun. His gun. There's a fizz gun in this? Pistol. RPG. Shotgun. SMG. Baton. Stun stick. And then it ends, right? Like this is the last one. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Gloss cannon. How did I pick this up? So it picked it up for some reason? Or maybe that was on the server. So this is now the client. We could look at the immediates here. So we got suitcase, crossbow, crowbar, cube map, frag, fizz cannon, physics gun, fizz gun, pistol, RPG, rocket launcher, shotgun, with shotgun, SMG1, stun stick, baton, tau cannon, boss cannon. Okay, let's do our cheat. How do we cheat in this? We need the suit so we could like feel like we're a true HL2 fanboy or something. Sorry, fanboys, I just said something funny. Infinite aux power, no. But to mine himself. Item. Where's the item suit? We need this stupid suit. I'm a dumbass. And create item suit charger? No. And create the HEV suit. Okay, let's do that. Okay, because we can't punch people though. Whatever. Cool. So at least we have some crap. It's actually kind of cool. Alright, let's change this to see combat weapon. Crap, I should have read the council. What the hell did it say? Damn it, it doesn't show it here. Oh, it does. Text shaping, no. Base combat, character, something with integers, went bad. Got, and key. Dumbasses, they fucked up the file. Recursive load, buffer, got, and key. It's just, the file was messed up. Okay, we have to fix the file. I should have it loaded here. Yes, I want to keep it in the editor. We'll just use AI here real quick to do our dirty job of fixing JSON files. Help fix JSON type key value source SDK swept file error. Okay. I have cleaned the detection data to ensure the brace has a corresponding posting brace. Okay. What went wrong? In your original file, your section was broken. Error. Open new block without closing new one. Yeah. Yeah, they just copy pasted all jacked up. That's always nice. Okay. So our file is fixed now. Okay, I dealt with that. Now to the fun part. How to make it work more. Okay, so we need to copy client.dlo that we fixed a little bit thing and go back in and fire some more. And we'll also fuck. Shit, damn it. We'll also we'll fix the textures too while we're at it. So you go to your gmod, whatever GMA extracted folder with your cool single player mod contents, and you just copy paste into the right folder and it works. So then, I don't know about the sound yet. Let's just do, we don't need this entities crap, because that's what they use for their ammo. They use nuclear stuff. I don't know why they use nuclear batteries. So not in models, materials, the models and materials folder. I mean, in materials models folder, sorry. Because there's a models, no, there isn't a models materials folder. We don't need this example material. So there'll be a uranium and for the ammo. We actually don't need the uranium, I believe. So for the entities, there's this materials uranium. We don't need that. In models folder, there is this gloss ammo. Let's see what the hell this is. We might not need this unless we end up using it. Okay, let's try not to use it. We're trying to deprecate here as much as possible. So we have to create a models folder in order to not copy uranium. It's like, uranium is heavy. Like, who would want it? You die of radiation poisoning and carry heavy stuff. Okay. We'll like power this thing with like something more sane. Like cat food, energy. Alright. So we've got all the textures in here. It's just like a shit ton of them. I don't know why. It's like, these guys didn't know how to optimize. They couldn't like stick everything into one texture and just be like done with it. And we'll still have like 3 or 4 of them. Dumbasses. Whatever. I love the modelers and like the source community. Thank you for doing my hard work for me. Okay, so then we, oh yeah, run the stupid game. Or press F5. I don't know why this stupid VR is there, but I love that it just like hates me. And somehow I got it to crash also by the 2 DLLs connecting at the same time from client and server for the sound. And it just like, I relaunched it again and it went away. Just literally just like went away. Like, I might be able to even see the breakpoint here. It was around here somewhere. But whatever, who cares? Alright, so I don't want to do any of this anymore. Let's just do debug, disable all breakpoints. For now, we'll just keep them, but we will disable them. Now, I don't know how it's going to look like without the HUD suit. Alright, so it has that little error. So it still works good. Pretty much the same. What if we do and create item HEV or HEV suit? Like, how do you like remember all the hacks? Create item suit. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, so let's give it its own item. It'll be called Gloss, I guess. I don't know. It's a bad name. It would be better if it was like battery. If I search battery enclosed within the whole entire solution, I don't find it in quotes. No, battery's a bad name because it's already defined. So we will add ammo type. Line tracer, hotwire, cannon. We're gonna have to replicate about the gloss energy. Jeep, shock, tracer, none. And here's the problem. It's got the impulse and all this like parameters in it, but the other problem with it at ammo type is that it doesn't have the min-max parameters or something. Yeah, it doesn't have the SK player damage. It has the G plus damage. Alex gun. And it doesn't have How come its tracer is none? It got its impulse, it's like 8,000. Alright. But where does it say it's max ammo and it's minimum ammo? Where is this SK player damage AO2 thing defined? Oh, right here. What a stupid variable. This is such garbage. The only... How come it's like 0? Does it just set this somewhere else? Like, where does it set this? Alright, so fuck all the scripting crap, let's just do this in here. And we have to like really fast copy paste everything. So the alt fire will do 1,000 damage at the maximum charge. 1,000. Lost damage will do 25. We'll just do a guess. I mean, that should be here. We have to copy paste all these to override the AR2 thing, being class. And then NPC damage will be 25 also. Gloss max will be 200 ammo. And alt fire will be 1,000. I thought that was damage. Well, it should be. It's when it charges up. It's not the ammo amount, but it is. But yeah, you get the point. It's like I imaginary cheated. Okay, here's all the AI relationships. It's really nice to scroll through this. Thinking you're smart. Okay, let's go back to this. It's on line 18,000. Oh yeah, we would have scrolled through the entire file. So we'll name this gloss tau energy. We'll just name it tau energy. Okay. And we need to incorporate these convars that we've declared. And this is a shared file, so we need to update both. So this is the damage, NPC damage, right? NPC damage is the second parameter? Yes, it is. Max gloss round. SK max gloss round. Of course that defined to 0, but ours is SK max gloss, which makes it more confusing, but whatever. And how does he use alt fire? You search for this, except with AR2. Where is that used? AR2 alt fire. Oh, okay. So we'll just kind of throw that away. We just made that for no reason. Alright, so we fixed all that crap. Now the sounds is kind of, okay, skill.config. So they could, later people can redefine that later there. Flow tip for, alright, so let's just compile this, run it again, and then actually try to make something, see what happens with the ammo, because we do need to change the ammo in the script file. Like while we're compiling, we've got to start working on this. We've got to say like something like, okay, it's not AR2, it's energy tau or something, whatever we put into the add ammo depth. Like the SDK version for 2007 used to have this add ammo depth C++ file. It separated this from HL2 game rules. Like this is like a bloated ass file. It gets to be like, because you have the relationship, like, yeah, like everything in there. And yeah, it's better to separate them. And once you learn on how to refactor and separate stuff, it kind of requires you to try to write your own engine in OpenGL. But then you see the benefits of like not having to do any of this. Like, what is this? Oh, this is crap. Okay. Okay, so we defined energy tau. We've misspelled it here. Let's just run the game already. But we still have to copy the DLLs, so. Okay, we have the textures working. We have some part of the weapon functioning. We don't have the right animations playing, obviously. We have some of the right animations, sort of. But it doesn't, like, work right. Do we have the weapon HUD right? Yeah, let's check if the weapon HUD looks right in this time, in this run. And these, having the poop runs. It's always good to, like, have the poop runs. Alright. Because if you fart and it misfires, then, like, everybody's in trouble, not just you. And then you gotta, like, smell it from your pants from the inside, and they don't know what happened. They'll probably be too embarrassed to tell you what's wrong. Alright. Oh, okay. So that's like that. Cool. Kind of have to add this to the list. Okay, weapon underscore tau count using undefined ammo tau energy. Why? Tau energy is defined. It's in game rules. What are you smoking? Okay, so what if it does? It doesn't have an icon, but it's there. You can't fire it anymore. I broke it. Damn it. Oh, it's a beautiful sound. Okay, why not? What went wrong? Okay, that's compiled. Let's search for gloss energy real quick. Figure out what went wrong here. Okay, index bullet type, gloss energy. So it could actually like run out, I guess, on the Jeep at some point, but alright, so We'll have to search for AR2. No, we should be okay. Like, why did this happen? $25. Looking at the timestamp. Why is this server old? And this client is new. Oh, because it didn't copy. Or, yeah, 37. 450. Yeah, 537. I should go to sleep. Like, damn it. That makes sense. The server didn't have it, the client did. And it's a stubs, so it's like stupid. It doesn't even know that they're different. Even though it doesn't network table that. And this should be 530. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. That's a common thing to happen. So now it should give us the thinger. It doesn't switch back to the last weapon. That's stupid. Damn it. Okay. Obviously, it's not doing a line trace and whistle anymore. And it's in base machine gun, and we need to change it to a base combat weapon. So what if we just did that? I put it inside this folder, this file. It had some predefines for it. But we gotta search this boss charge time, I guess. AR2 tracer. We'll figure that out. Okay, we just need to make it base combat weapon. Or, sorry, C-base combat weapon, certified. Allegedly. So let's max cross charge time. Search this. And this will be weapon attack 1, and the other one will be weapon attack 2. And how does it look like when we try to charge this thing? We just need to do charge fire. Oh. Holster fire. Idle to low. Does it shake? Is that what the activities or the sequence is called? I guess. I don't know. Pull back, primary attack, secondary attack. Recoil, pull back, lowered, idle, silenced, load, deployed, holster, draw, secondary attack. It's kind of stupid. I don't think they did the animations right. Oh well. It'll just have to be pull back for now. Let's pull back. Or animation name, whatever pullback animation is. So this is fire 1. We'll just do the stupid thing for now. And then later I'll do this like the real way. Delayed attack, what the hell? Oh, this is where it pays to combine both. Secondary attack. Where is primary attack? Does it even have one? Oh, NPC primary attacks. So like later you have to also code in the NPC code, which, yeah. You have to also code in the NPC logic. So in order to do the primary attack, since this doesn't have it, we have to like override the method from pistol or whatever the base weapon, whatever we're deriving from, and we just do primary attack. We don't need this void here. I usually just do this. Like most people are saying, do this. Okay. We need draw beam to be there, show the beam effect, the bullet type, the tracer, the and the bullet type is this. It's not gloss energy, it's tau energy. Well, we could make them the same ammo type and then later have it. So get damage info instead of driver. We'll get owner because we're the owner of the weapon. Get ammo depth is undefined. That's okay. We'll define that. Then we'll just get owner. The damage info is going to be a little, okay, end bullet type, we should put this like way up here. Like, this is like the first thing you need to tell it. Then we need to declare primary attack because it's just angry at us. It doesn't like other parts of the program are starting to get angry too. I don't know why it breaks those parts. Oh yeah, weapon gloss, we need to open this. And see where the secondary attack is, put it right above that. It's like somebody deliberately moved it here. Just get rid of this. Don't need two words, that would be crazy. Alright, and then we need the secondary attack. We have to make sure there's no errors. Shots fired, post item frame, and shots fired is not defined. We'll just define end shots fired. I don't know. Put it in private, protect it, I don't know. Let's just put it private. And shots fired 0. Make it an int. Just declare something. Get it to really get away. Okay, that fixes that. So I guess this end shots fired is a part of this get primary attack activity systems, so we get different animations rolling out. Get ammo def. So in order to get the ammo def, we need to include HL2 NP game rules, I believe. Oh no, just HL2 game rules. I think it's just this. Yeah, so that's happy. Did that make the ammo def happy? So we should be done after the ammo def. Is cannon charging? False. Okay, so we need to add bool, false, cannon time, make this a float, set it to 0. We do need to set it to 0 on reset also. There will be bugs if we don't do that. Stop charge sound. I don't know where we get this. We just have to copy it from the Jeep. It's like, where does it get this crap? The owner, get owner. Oh, damn it. Again, data description. I hate these. Just need like to close stuff because it's interfering with our alt tapping. Because the charge sound is there. It's just like, it'll just keep like telling us to add more. Now I'm not even using the AI right now. I'm just like hard coding this. from like the classic way it was done like back in the day. It's like take things from other things and just keep building it. Whoops, why did I scroll down in here? I didn't need to. I need to scroll down here. Okay, H player. We need to get owner. Why did ammo depth not? It's because of this. It's like other crap messing up other crap. Okay. Cannon start time. We didn't add this? No. We just have cannon time. Then we add draw beam draw dot H. Get obvobler. Oops, get owner will replace m underscore handle player. Base combat character has no member rumble effect. Get h help owner. C base combat weapon. Get rumble effect. Set owner. So we have to search for get owner and see how it's being casted. On an HL2 thing player. Most likely it'll happen in an HL2 based weapon, not a just base weapon, but they're all like C-based player here. Some stupid reason. 2 base player. 2 base combat character. Is it from combat character? Yeah, it's combat. So we need like to do this line. We have to go like this. See if it's null. If it's not null, then do the rumble effect. Yeah. So you have, because it has to be a C-based player. It can't be a NPC, because NPC is also combat character. So here we'll have to do the same. We'll get the ammo depth. I don't know why this is not defined again. It's here. Do we have to actually extern it or something? Like, how does Jeep see this and we don't see this? Is this a small file? No. Oh, ammo depth.h. Okay, that's what we need. It's just like bad thing about refactoring code. Millions of lines of include files. Okay, why is beam draw not defined? Beam draw not found in current system. Why? We really need beam draw to main effect. Because it is a client-side file, isn't it? What? So we need a... We can't use this. We need to just set it to in game rules. We just need to set this to tracer Let's try trace a line and then trace. Yeah.
Я совершенно не могу ездить даже, у меня начинается паника. Это самое, как его, я поехала, там нет конфет.
Okay.
Только я не знаю, как развернуться.
У кого нету конфет? Есть там какие-то конфеты? So the base HL2 combat weapon has no fire thing. So we have to dig deeper to base combat weapon. It has this stupid HL2 code to server-side implementation that'll cast the swizzle effect. Or else, like, we won't see any kind of tracer. You have to get tracer. Come on. Damn it. Why is it not open? We can take it out of here too. I just need to copy paste the function into it. Where's the get tracer type? Or there is none. I saw it somewhere. Maybe it's in Jeep. Trace attack. HL2 X tracers, airborne heavy gun.